Hi everyone, so today I want to do a little cleaning motivation with you. I'm starting off here in my kitchen eating area. I'm going to go through, wipe down everything, tidy up the things that needs to be tidied and put away. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome. I'm Raquel. I would love for you to consider subscribing if you're into these cleaning motivational videos. I do lifestyle type videos here on my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking and rocking out with me. I really do appreciate it. So come along as we clean and tidy up this home. So I have to clean my kitchen, clean these dishes, and then get my stove and stuff wiped down. I am just gonna clean it and get, this is what I have to clean.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me.
After I get all the dishes washed up, I just place them in the dishwasher and I do put it on a heat setting to dry the dishes off. I don't run the dish cycle at all, so I'm just using it as a drying rack.
Every
I got this area wiped down. I don't wipe this all the time, but I knew that it's been a while, so I just went on and got this little section cleaned off. Got this little part wiped down. I already had just wiped those cake dishes down and eliminated some of the stuff under here. So that's just like my little bar area. Alcohol and all that stuff is in there. And then, you know, we just have these cabinets. That's like dog stuff. That's like decor. And that's like extra toilet paper. All the extra essentials for the household is stored here. And then the drawer just has like stuff from my dining table. I still haven't filled these pictures in yet. I haven't even started looking to find some pictures because I was working on my bedroom. Now I have those done. For now, I'm going to figure out what I'm going to put into these frames. But anyways, nonetheless, they still look nice and clean over here. Love it, love it, love it. I'm waiting over here for my dining table. I'm just gonna get some fresh flowers, so that's why I didn't even bother trying to decorate or do anything with it. I just left this tray and this these two candle holders because I'm gonna get fresh flowers at some point and I will get them put on here. But it's clean, and I got we had a gathering yesterday, so I already had kind of cleaned this up last night. I just went through again and just made sure I just got the crumbs and stuff up because we had kitties and stuff over here, other people's kids over here. So I just vacuumed out the chairs one more time. Yeah, and then again, this is what I did with this little centerpiece for now. I may put some snacks or something in here. I don't know. Again, my plant is still sitting there until I find a permanent home for it. It just sits there. It does well. It's growing. I love it. And this is my kitchen, nice and clean. So perfect here. So that's my coffee station, and so here you go.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high.
This